Indoor plants not only bring a touch of nature into our homes, but they also improve air quality, boost mood, and create a refreshing atmosphere. However, not everyone has the time to care for high-maintenance greenery. That's why in today's video, we're diving into 5 of the easiest indoor plants to care for. Plants that thrive on neglect and still look stunning. But here's the catch. The last plant on our list is the absolute easiest to maintain, and we're also sharing the ultimate care tip at the end, so make sure to watch till the finish. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a plant care video. The snake plant, the indestructible air purifier. Our first plant is the snake plant, also known as Sansevieria, or mother-in-law's tongue. This plant is legendary for one reason. It's practically indestructible. If you always forget to water your plants, this one will still thrive. Snake plants are known for their ability to survive in low-light conditions, making them perfect for offices, bedrooms, or spaces with minimal sunlight. They store water in their thick, upright leaves, which means you only need to water them every 2 to 3 weeks, and they'll still be happy. And here's a bonus. NASA ranks snake plants as one of the best air purifying plants. They absorb toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, and carbon dioxide while releasing fresh oxygen, even at night. That makes them one of the best plants to keep in your bedroom for better air quality. If you're enjoying these easy care plant recommendations, go ahead and hit the like button. It helps more plant lovers find this video. ZZ plant, the ultimate low-maintenance houseplant. Next up, we have the ZZ plant, also known as Zamioculcas zamifolia. This plant is perfect for those who completely forget to water their plants. Seriously, it can go without water for an entire month. The secret to the ZZ plant's survival lies in its rhizomes, thick underground stems that store water. This means it can handle long dry periods without wilting. It prefers low to moderate indirect light, but can tolerate brighter spaces as well. To keep your ZZ plant happy, just follow this simple rule. Water only when the soil's completely dry. Overwatering is the only way to kill it, as its roots are prone to rot if left in standing water. So, if in doubt, let it dry out. Got a ZZ plant at home? Drop a leaf in the comments. Let's see how many plant lovers have this one. Pothos, the beginner's best friend. Up next, we have the Pothos, or Epipremnum aureum, often called devil's ivy, because it's nearly impossible to kill. Pothos is one of the best plants for beginners because it grows rapidly with very little care. It can tolerate low light, medium light, and even artificial lighting, making it a great choice for apartments or offices. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. You can train it to climb a moss pole or let it cascade beautifully from a hanging pot. The best part? Pothos will let you know when it's thirsty. If the leaves start to droop, it's time for a drink. Water it every 1 to 2 weeks and trim the vines occasionally to keep it looking fresh and full. If you're loving these plant tips, don't forget to share this video with your fellow plant lovers. Peace lily, the elegant drama queen. Now let's talk about the peace lily, or spathiphyllum, a plant that looks elegant and also acts as an air purifier. While peace lilies require a little more attention than the previous plants, they're still incredibly low maintenance. They prefer indirect light and moist soil, but they'll tell you when they need water by dramatically drooping their leaves. A quick drink and they perk right back up. They also help remove toxins like benzene, ammonia, and formaldehyde from the air, making them a great addition to any living space. Cast iron plant, the hardest to kill. And finally, the cast iron plant, or Aspidistra alacer. Named because it's as tough as iron. This plant can tolerate low light, irregular watering, and neglect, making it the ultimate choice for busy plant lovers. It thrives in low to moderate light and needs water only every 2 to 3 weeks. It's resistant to pests and disease, making it one of the hardest plants to kill. Here's the best tip for keeping any plant healthy. Consistency is key. Instead of overwatering or underwatering, set a weekly reminder on your phone to check your plants. Observe the soil. If it's dry, water it. If it's moist, wait a few more days. Which of these plants is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow plant lovers. Until next time, happy planting.